what's up, Billy Bob?
What's up, boss man?
Hey, I appreciate you. I appreciate you flying us down here to your private island.
I know that, man.
We took a vacation.
We did.
Yeah, we needed a vacation.
You know what? And you know what? You know what I say about that?
You know, what's that, boss man?
We're
What's
at
that,
my
Billy Bob?
private island in Paducah, ladies and
Paducah.
gentlemen. Welcome to 24/7. We are back.
We are back.
And you know what? I brung you something.
Thank you.
Put that on there.
I got it.
Yeah, see,
This is our island flowers there.
Island flowers, that's right. And you know what? I'm the king of spades. I'm king and champ.
That's
I don't
right.
have my belt right now. You know where I stuck it?
Where'd you stick it?
I stick my belt in my locker at my private condo.
I hear you. I
at
hear
the
you.
clubhouse. See?
That's right. That's right.
And you know what? I got 2 of these because I'm champ.
You the champ.
Yes. And you know what, boss man? Guess what I did?
What'd you do?
Guess what I did?
What'd you do?
I bought me something.
What'd you buy you?
I bought me the Big Bob 3000.
What's the Big Bob 3000?
You know what it does?
What's it do?
It covers everything around the world.
Around the world.
I know what everybody does.
What, Little Red? What?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, Little Red got a question.
What's that?
He said, did you see Miner in Florida?
I sure did. It monitored him. I made sure what he was doing.
What was he doing?
He went to Universal Studios and he saw Barney.
He saw Barney. He was dancing with Barney the dinosaur.
The dinosaur. He sure did. And you know what he said?
What?
He said, I love you. You love me.
He loves Barney.
Yeah, let's get a pile driver and pile drive Barney.
He did.
Yeah, he beat
So
Barney up.
he kissed Barney too.
Yeah, he danced with Barney.
Did.
And then he hit the pile driver on Barney, and he beat Barney. And now we have Michael Miner, the Barney dinosaur champion.
Well, he said he went down there and trained, so he went dancing with Barney.
Yeah, he did. He trained with Barney and beat him up.
I seen on there Big Bob 3000 too, where he went to Disney World and he was kissing Mickey Mouse, and he said, he looked over at his uncle, he said, I believe that's the real mouse there.
Really?
Sure did.
Really? You saw it on the Big Bob
3000. You know, we like Big Brother now.
Yeah, and you know what? I got something to say, Jesse from Big Brother. Yes, I'm Big Brother. Not you, Jesse. I'm Big Brother. I know what you doing. I call it the BB, Big Bob 3000. How's that?
It's way up there way up there in space.
That's exactly right. And you know what? I got a few things to say.
Go ahead, Billy Bob.
That owner said he suspended us.
We took a
vacation. We wasn't suspended. And you know what?
We needed a vacation.
And you know what, Travis, from the owner of this company, you know what? You don't have a company. We are the company. We are TNA Wrestling Fan Zone. We own this company,
That's
not
right.
you. You can't tell us what to do. And you know what? You can't tell Miner, your little friend, Michael Miner,
Mr. Heine Miner.
And your little friend,
Like
Flatbed Greasy.
Like a rear end.
There's no Fan Zone management. There's nothing. We own this place, not you. We run the zone. You don't run the zone. And Miner, I saw your little promo. I saw it the other day. And you know what, Miner? You know what I say about you? We wait till Faniversary for that belt. You know what? Whatever you got, I don't give a crap about your belt because we have the TNA Wrestling YouTube champion, and that's our hitman, Homicide. And by the way, where is he?
What? Wait a minute. What? Little Red? Yep. He did. Yep. That's right. Little Red said, remind me to tell you that Homicide went to SLTD Wrestling over in England, and he's defending his belt against the Dragon Slayer.
Really?
Yeah. You didn't know that?
Did he get the YouTube? Did he get the podcast belt?
Yeah,
I saw Michael Miner still there.
That belt he got from Mickey Mouse.
Miner did?
Miner got that belt from Mickey Mouse. Homicide got the real podcast champion.
I mean, he's supposed to be here.
Well, I seen him.
Miner said that he did something to Homicide.
He ain't done nothing to Homicide. I seen him over in England defend our belt against SLTD Wrestling.
Are you sure?
Yeah, he's defending against the Dragon Slayer tonight.
You sure about that?
I'm sure, Billy Bob.
You good?
I'm good with that. That's where he's at.
It better
They're bringing you some more money.
I want my money. I want the money for the club, and then I want to make sure we have the belt. If I don't have the YouTube belt by Faniversary, I'm going to be mad.
See, the Dragon Slayer, he's the champ over there in England, and so Homicide is going to defend his belt, and he's going to beat, going to take care of the Dragon Slayer and bring you another belt back.
Bring me a new belt.
Bring you a new belt. He's going to have 2 belts. And Mr. Heine Minor,
Yeah.
that belt he got from Mickey Mouse.
Really?
Yeah, when he was in Florida, you didn't see it. Mickey Mouse gave him that belt.
No, I had to step away from the big ball 3000 for a few minutes.
Mickey Mouse gave him that play belt.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's got Mickey Mouse on it.
Oh, on that little gold plate there?
On that little gold plate, it's Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, well, anyway, Homicide, it will be back, ladies and gentlemen. He will be back here at Faniversary in March. You can't miss it, ladies and gentlemen.
With the podcast champion, real podcast champion.
Yes, the real podcast champion.
And the YouTube champion.
YouTube.
And and the England championship.
That's right. And Homicide will be and always be the YouTube undisputed podcast champion
and YouTube champion.
That's right. And
Little Red.
And by the way, Minor.
Wait a minute. Little Red said he gonna go and give Minor our attitude adjustment.
He needs to.
That's right.
I tell you that. He needs to. And one more thing, little Michael, Mr. Stupid Minor.
Hey.
Thank you something. You call me out. You call me. I haven't graduated from Harvard. You said I graduated from the Hillbilly College. Well, you know what, Michael Minor, you stupid wannabe person. Yes, you're a person and wannabe. You got that. Anyway, I graduated from Harvard. Okay? Not hillbilly. I'm not a hillbilly. If you say hillbilly one more time, I'm coming to Wisconsin and straight up, everybody dies. That's exactly right. And Minor, you're going to get it. I'm going to show you soon my certificate from Harvard. You ain't going to want to miss that. Mr. Minor wannabe, Mr. Heine Butt Bird and whatever you want to call yourself, because you ain't nothing. This is TNA Fan Zone 24/7. We run the 24/7, we run the zone, and you can't do nothing about it, Minor. You can't do anything about it, but before I go, I'm going to show everybody my private island.
Gonna show you a private island. You know what? Mr. Minor Heine called me a stick talking. Well, I talk to Blue Red, and he can talk to me back.
That's right.
And you don't like it, you lump it.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you what, if you say I'll stick talk anymore, everybody going Wisconsin, I'm gonna come down there and I'm gonna whoop you, and Blue Red just gonna give you a knot upside your head.
Yeah. And you know what? People probably doubt the TNA Fan Zone fans probably don't believe me.
Yeah.
But we're going straight live from the Big Bob 3000.
Show them some of your island.
We're going to go out to the island, and I'm going to talk there, and we show this island. We're going to have a block here. We're going to be in this little block right here, and we're going to have the island right here streamed live from outside. Right. And you know what? Let's go live right now to my private island out here in Paducah. I ain't going to tell you. It's a secret location, ladies and gentlemen, because Michael Heine Butt Minor, he don't need to be out there on my island. It's private. It's the Hearts of Spades Island, not yours, not the Zones, not Flatbed Greasy, not
Willie Joe.
Not Willie Joe's, not none of management. And you know what? Let's go live right now. There we go. We're live. We're live right now. We're live. You see that? That's a pretty island right there.
That's right.
See the waves?
I'm going surfing on them waves.
Yeah, I done went surfing on them waves. They're awesome.
All got the pretty girl.
Yeah, they sure do.
Yeah.
We had Tess Mocker. She was out there.
That's
ODB.
Right. OBB.
Yeah, Eric. We fired him. We got Eric ODB.
Yeah, that's right.
And we kidnapped her, didn't we?
That's right.
And anyway, we have Gail Kim's out there. We don't got Madison Rain. That's Flatbed Woman, and she ain't invited.
Yeah, and Gail Kim's husband is fixing us a big
macaroni casserole.
Yeah, out here at the shore.
Yeah.
Having us a luau.
That's right.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Awesome, it.
Yeah.
And you know what? You see the palm trees out there? Yeah, they swaying.
And the Golden Beach.
Yeah, that's awesome. Y'all see it right now, live. We're live. We are live from my private island.
From Big Bob 3000.
This is from the Big Bob 3000. Don't y'all miss that. The Big Bob 3000. The BB 3000. Yes.
Billy Bob's the big brother.
That's right, I'm Big Brother. Not you, not everybody, not you, Honey Butt Miner. You nothing but nothing.
We know what you're doing. We know
nowhere.
what you're doing right now in Wisconsin. You're cooking you some eggs, and that's all you can afford. Just eggs. You can't afford steaks.
Yeah, and he's sitting there.
He's sitting there cooking.
He's sitting there. He's watching.
I'm watching him right now.
Yeah, you know what he's watching on TV?
What?
You know what he's watching on TV?
Yeah, I see what he's watching.
He's watching Crapomania.
Crapomania.
Crapomania. What's that show?
I don't know.
I don't know that show either. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen,
I think he's watching Barney the Dinosaur and Mickey Mouse.
He might be doing that.
Yeah, I think that's what he's watching.
He went to Florida and he said he went to space and stuff.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Yeah, I don't know what he's talking about that because I think he's crazy.
I know, he was sitting there kissing Mickey and Minnie Mouse,
and
he told his uncle that's the real McCoy.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, that's how stupid Miner is.
And there's one more thing before I'm going to get out there and party on my island.
Yeah, I got to go party with the girls.
And you know what I have to say about it?
What's that?
He said that our friend Big Bubba, he said...
Big Bubba's here with us.
He said he returned the dogs. And something about the dogs. He returned the pit bulls to their owner because he don't own animals.
Honest John.
Yeah, I guess.
He didn't return the John. Honest John's up here and he's upset.
Yeah, Honest John's out there on my private island dancing with ODB and Miss Tessmacher.
That's right.
Yeah, and there's no dogs here.
And Big Bubba, he's at the buffet over there eating a bunch of
some donuts
and stuff.
Steak. Yeah,
steak,
I need to get me some of that steak.
Yeah, we got to go.
Yeah, I got to go. That's whatever. Y'all continue to watch the so-called Miner, Heine, whatever y'all want to watch because he's stupid anyway. Y'all need to watch The Hearts of Space. Follow me on Twitter at Billy Bob Fanzone. Don't miss me out on Twitter because I am awesome. Follow me on Twitter. Don't follow nobody else on the zone because they a bunch of crap. We own this company. Y'all don't forget that. And Travis Neely, your owner, your so-called owner, you know what? You didn't suspend us. We just took early vacation. And you know what? I want to hear from you, Mr. Owner. You know what?
We own
I want to hear from you at the top of the show this week, Saturday.
Because we're back.
We're back at the zone.
We're
and
flying
you know what?
in
We're coming
morning.
in. That's exactly right. We'll be there Saturday night when we go live on YouTube for Showtime at the Zone. You know what? I want to hear from you at the top of the show, Mr. Owner. You know what? I'm out of here. Let's get out of here.
And Homicide is coming back to the Zone.
That's right. Homicide, he'll be here at Faniversary.
And he's in England right now defending our belt against the Dragon Slayer from SLTD Wrestling.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right. I'm giving you that, Mr. Heine.
That's right. And you know what? Let's go party. Let's get out of here. I want to hear from you, Mr. Owner.
Yeah.